Hey everyone, welcome back to Asad AI World. I've got something special today, 10 free Sora 2 invite codes for you viewers. First, open your browser and go to sora.chatgpt.com. You should see a button that says Join New Sora or similar, click that. Now the page asks for an invite code. I'll paste one of the codes right now so you can see it works. Okay, here's how you get one of the 10 codes. 5 people can make Sora 2 with this same code, and other codes are in my YouTube channel posts. Simple. I'll also place a short note in the pinned comment to confirm if codes are gone. Important, switch your VPN to the United States now. If you don't, the invite code will be wasted and you won't be able to access Sora 2. If you got a code, awesome. Drop a comment, done, below so I know who used them. If you didn't get one, don't worry, I'll do more giveaways soon. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video with friends who want Sora 2 access. Thanks for watching, this was Asad AI World. See you in the next one.